Hello students, very good afternoon to all. My name is Gulshan and here I am going to tell the answer of this question second. So let me see first of all what is the statement of this question is telling about phenol associates in benzene to a certain extent to form dimer. So that means phenol is a solute and benzene is the solvent. Okay. A solution containing 2.0 into 10 raised to power minus 2 kg of phenol in 1 kg of benzene has its freezing point decreased by, so freezing point, that is depression in freezing point, this value is del TF 0.69 Kelvin. The percentage degree of association of phenol is asking. So 4 options are given and we found this option is a correct option and other 3 are wrong one. Okay. So let me see one by one in the statement what are the values given and how we calculate and find which option is correct one. So let me see, phenol B is the solute, benzene is a solvent. So find with the formula of C6H5OH the mass, molecular mass of phenol and molecular mass of benzene, that is C6H6. After that, this is the cryoscopic constant value that is also given. Okay. And the amount of phenol, that is solute, and amount of benzene, that is solvent, is also given, and this one is del TF is also given. So first of all we must know about the formula, that is the depression in freezing point del TF is equal to cryoscopic constant into molar concentration. Okay, so by interchanging this we can write the molar concentration, number of moles divided by amount of solvent in kg. Okay, so represented by WB, MB, these are the number of moles and this is the amount of solvent in kg. So after changing we have to find first of all the molecular mass of phenol. One is calculated, second is with the formula. So with the calculation, this is the molecular mass of phenol, and after using all these values we found the molecular mass is 148.4057 gram per mole. Okay, so this is the calculated value, and according to formula of phenol C6H5OH we found the normal molecular mass is 94, and this one is the observed or calculated mass, that is 148.4057. So according to quantum factor formula, normal divided by observed molecular mass, we found I is 0.6333, and we also know I is equal to 1 minus alpha upon 2 divided by 1. Here is alpha is actually we are considering, that is degree of association, and phenol when dimerized, so that gives a single molecule like this. Okay, so we find how the relation is there. At initial, when we are taking 1 mole of concentration of phenol, no association, no concentration in mole of phenol, and after association number of molecules are undergoing in association, that is alpha. So these molecules will decrease, 1 minus alpha are the unassociated molecule and these are alpha by 2 are the associated molecules, because the ratio of this one is 2:1, decreased by alpha and increased by alpha by 2. So according to this we find total number of molecules after association and dissociation, sum of this is equal to 1 minus alpha by 2 and divided by total number of moles we taken before the association, that is 1 mole. Finally we find this relation, and in this relation when we use the value of I, we find finally alpha is equal to 0.7332, and if we are calculating again the percentage of association, so simply multiply with the 100. So this value is coming 73.32%, and that is nearly the option A, 73.4. So as we can say, this one is the correct option and others 3 are not correct. Okay, so this is the solution of this question. Thanks, have a nice day. Thanks everyone. So in the last I want to say actually that you understood or cleared your answer. Okay, so this one is the correct option and these are the incorrect one. So once again, thanks, have a nice day.